Hello guys, welcome to the Forex Flavor. Today I will be showing you how to improve your strategy. Many traders are losing their money, are losing with prop firm, they are losing with their own personal accounts. So I will be showing 5 ways to improve your trading skill instantly so that you can be able to get profits and you can stop losing your hard-earned cash. The first thing that you have to understand is the market structure. The market structure, we are talking about how the market moves. Is it in a range? Is it trending up or is it trending down? Analyzing the market structure or determining the market structure will help you to get the bias of the market, the overall direction of the market. It will also indicate to you whether the buyers are dominating or the sellers are dominating. The trend has to be your friend. You need to follow the trend always. Okay, and then the next thing, you need to have patience. Without patience, you can't make it in the trading industry because trading applies from waiting for your setup to form. You have to have patience. You have to wait for your entry to form. You have to wait for confirmation. And then after executing your trade, you have to wait for your trade to play out. From waiting for your setup until trade hit your TP. You have to know your time frame and then you have to know your pairs. You can't trade everything. You can't trade all the time frame. Like as a day trader, you can basically get your entries on the 15 minutes. If you use a 15 minutes time frame, then you can get your opportunities during the day. And then you can't trade all pairs because if you focus on many pairs, you are going to lose an opportunity for your main pair while looking at other unimportant pairs. You have to change your perspective. You have to work with probabilities. You have to know that the market is unpredictable. You have to be humble enough to understand that your strategy won't work each and every day. Sometimes it don't work. Sometimes you can do a perfect analysis, but that's the market. It's unpredictable, it's volatile. Sometimes it will kick you out. But if you have a strategy which has an edge, you would know that after a series of trades, you will get your profitable trade. Fixed stop loss and fixed TP. This is going to help you because the main thing, your first goal is to protect your capital. You have to protect your capital before you can think of making money. So you need a fixed stop loss. I use a 10 to 20 pip stop loss and it is fixed. I don't change it. When the market moves against me, I allow it to hit my stop loss and then I have a fixed take profit because you'll find that the market is busy moving into profit and then you're not closing. You're saying, well, you are busy not closing your trade, then the market moves against you and then it blows your account because you don't even have your stop loss. You see, bonus tip is that you have to understand manipulation. Have you ever traded and then while you are trading, you execute your trade and then the market moves against you after moving against you and then it takes your favorable direction or it takes the direction which you were predicting? If that has ever happened to you, that means you were inside a manipulation. So if you understand manipulation, it will help you because you will be able to place your stop loss in the right location and you will be able to even execute your position after the whole manipulation. Yeah, so guys, those are the 5 ways to improve your trading skills. See you on the next video.